What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Um, yeah, that's not a transmission. That's actually I think it's a Harley Davidson case. This is where your clutches go in here, and all your, I think a chain and stuff runs in here. I'm not for sure. I don't work on motorcycles or anything like that. But what I am gonna do is see this old piece that's talking to us here? Somebody made a boo-boo, and this case there's none to be had. So, and if you can get one, they want an arm and a leg for it. So my buddy brought it to me, knowing I can weld aluminum, and we're gonna get him taken care of. So y'all guys stick around a while, and we're gonna show you how we prepare this. We've already started, so let me flip this around and we'll get this going. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, I'm sure the next question was, what are you using? So what we got this nice bit, really sharp, got a beautiful tip on it, and we're coming in here, we're just running a groove back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, until I got to where I like it, where I know it's gonna be nice and full when I put a dab of metal in there. So I'm pretty much just opening a valley, so when I go to puddle my metal in, it's gonna cover up the valley. So that's what we're looking for here, and it's gonna be flat. And then on the outside might not be flat. I'll probably have a little bit of a buildup just to keep it nice and strong and make sure it don't happen again. Y'all guys, what's up, everyone? So we've got our top piece finished, cleaned, ready to go. Come on, there we go. I just need to get the welder set up, get a nice bead laid in there.
What's up, everyone? So I got Cody recording right now. I've got him all safetied up with a helmet on. We're gonna try and see if we can catch a little bit of some welding on camera. We've got everything set up. I'm welding aluminum today. Biggest thing about welding aluminum, three things. Clean, clean, and clean. That's basics. That's key. And of course your heat and flow. Aluminum's a little bit different than welding steel, stainless. And I've actually got a kit, and I'm starting to weld titanium. So that's pretty cool. That's its own, I don't even know what you want to call that one. I'm telling you, welding titanium is pretty crazy. You have to try it out or go look and see what it's like to weld titanium. But so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna tack my ends. It's up against it really nice and tight. I've got everything cleaned out. Let's see how this goes. It's probably might flash the camera, Cody. I don't know how it's gonna do. We'll have to see if you can see through it. You ready?
Yes, sir.
You can smell the oil still after cleaning it. I mean, I've cleaned it probably, I don't know, I've cleaned it a lot. Been in our parts washer and everything, and it's still, that drop will be off of there, but it's really hard. You kind of see the black around it. It's pulling carbon, pulling paint out of it. You're never gonna just get it clean as a fresh piece of an aluminum out of the box. So, but not bad. A good little tack mark there. Go here and do the same thing. It's not want to take it off like it is, but there's just a lot of that powder coat stuff, man. I'm telling you, It gets into the pores so bad, I don't care how bad you want to clean it, it don't come out. You can see the black carbon. I mean, it's bad. So I'm really trying to work it to clean it, and this has different cleaning stages, but still. Turned her up a little bit, see if we can get through this a little better here. Probably not gonna look the prettiest, but it is what it is.
All right. So we had to quit videoing. I just had to get my welder set up correctly and concentrate on the weld versus the video. So here we are. There is our inside. Our underneath looks really good too. Not as good as our inside, but our inside is the big part of keeping the oil inside this thing. So we'll get it flipped over, show y'all what it looks like, but not bad for already having something powder coated, oil soaked. I mean, it's pretty good. And I am actually really impressed on how this turned out. Looks really good. We're gonna get him to put some silicone on this inside edge here. I did not want to mess up the lip on how our cover went on, so I'm gonna let him put just a little nice deal of silicone there. We should be good. Probably a seal goes in there anyways, I'm thinking. So, but it works really good, looks good, and we are ready to go.